My name is Muao, Kaisala. I am son of two and Margaret Kaisala. For this, this is my older sister Margaret, Taavale. We have come from Melbourne for a wedding, and we thought why not stop by. And I like to give it on the spot like this, but one verse from the Bible that my leaders with today is Proverbs 3 verse 5 and 6. It says, trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding, and all your ways submit to Him, and you'll make your path straight. Amen. We're gonna sing a song, one song. So if I thought you had to be in if you know the song, please sing along. Little